Look at all this snow. Look at all this snow. Look at it. I don't think you can see the snowflakes. What? What, did you switch to Geico? Damn it. You gonna get that?
Yes.
Nice.
Shut up.
Ah! Hello?
Hey.
I'm gonna go ahead and go across.
About 30 minutes. Alright, cool.
Let's see if I can do this with one hand.
I believe it. We're gonna go ahead and start walking up there. It'll take us about 20-25 minutes. But I'll hit it doing.
It's all good.
Huh? Yeah, I got the sled. I wrapped the dog leash around the handle so I can drag it. Yeah.
How are you gonna get it across this this creek here?
Alright, I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. Love you too. Bye.
Well, or do you want to take the long way back?
You might.
I don't think we have a choice.
They ain't gonna have a lot of gear.
Is that a propane tank? Why the hell is there a propane tank in our backyard?
Maybe you used to sell propane and propane accessories. Did you jump this or?
Yeah,
Okay.
no other way to do it. You're not gonna jump across?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're being a wuss about it. What was that? What was that? I got that on camera.
Work.
But that wasn't a jump.
Look at this hill.
It's like a little bunny hop. Man, that's a lot of snow. Alright, we're entering a domestic neighborhood. I think I'm gonna cut off the camera while we walk through here. Don't want to get any legal issues, you know.